Welcome to Bike Rush, where we break down the latest and most exciting motorcycles on the planet. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Honda CRF 750L, a long-awaited middleweight dual sport that blends adventure-ready performance with Honda's legendary reliability. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L carries a sharp, rally-inspired design that clearly reflects its CRF heritage. Slim bodywork, aggressive lines, and a tall stance give it a true off-road identity, while refined finishes and modern graphics keep it looking premium and road-ready. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF 750L is a powerful and efficient parallel twin engine designed for versatility. It delivers strong low-end torque for trails and confident mid-range power for highway cruising. Smooth throttle response and refined tuning make it equally comfortable on long-distance rides and technical terrain. Honda equips the CRF 750L with a lightweight chassis engineered for balance and durability. Long-travel suspension absorbs rough terrain with ease, while the stable geometry ensures confidence on both dirt and pavement. This setup makes the bike feel planted off-road without sacrificing on-road comfort. The 2026 CRF 750L comes loaded with modern rider aids, including selectable riding modes, traction control, and advanced ABS tuned for dual sport use. A full-color digital display provides clear ride data, while LED lighting improves visibility and efficiency in all conditions. Designed for long adventures, the CRF 750L offers an upright riding position, wide handlebars, and a supportive seat. The ergonomics allow riders to stay comfortable whether standing on the pegs off-road or cruising for hours on the open road. True to the CRF name, this bike excels off the pavement. High ground clearance, spoked wheels, and durable components make it capable of handling trails, gravel, and rugged terrain with confidence. It's built for riders who want real adventure without compromise. Despite its performance, the 2026 Honda CRF 750L maintains impressive fuel efficiency. A generous fuel tank and reliable engineering make it a practical choice for touring, commuting, and remote exploration. The 2026 Honda CRF 750L strikes a perfect balance between adventure touring and serious off-road performance. With modern technology, strong performance, and Honda's trusted build quality, it's a compelling choice for riders seeking one bike to do it all. That's our look at the 2026 Honda CRF 750L. Stay tuned to Bike Rush for more motorcycle news, reviews, and in-depth breakdowns of the bikes that fuel your passion.